So I basically started with Jake back at his property, his garage, in 2001. And from an 800 square foot shop, we're now at about 20,000 square feet. From 2 employees, we've gone up to about 50 or so. And since we started, we obviously evolved from just a controls company to a company that actually manufactures equipment on the mechanical side, integrates the controls into the machinery, and we provide turnkey solutions where we can actually go install them on site. And I think the biggest thing that I really enjoy about Eascan, and that's why I'm still here, is every day it's a new challenge, a new problem. We're in different industries. We provide custom solutions. We don't necessarily pump out cookie cutter machines every day. And I like talking with new clients and in new industries and seeing what problems they have and our ability to solve their problems.